Hello friends, good morning from Lachain. In today's vlog, we will mark our footprints on Gurdonmurg Lake. Yesterday we started from Gangtok and covered till Lachain. We reached here by 6 pm and after dinner we were off to bed as today's journey was a total hectic according to itinerary. So meet Shuang, our friend from Lachain. This is Shuang. As per itinerary, we were supposed to cross Thangu police checkpost and Thangu military checkpost max by 9 am as per instructions of permit. If we reach there by even 1 minute late, they will strictly stop us and say for the next day. So when you make permit for North and East Sikkim, there is a day limit in which you have to complete your itinerary. Failing that, you will not be allowed to enter those high passes. So for North Sikkim, we had only 3 days in which we were supposed to cover both Gurdongmurg Lake and Yumthang Valley. Today's ride will be full adventurous as we will be at 18,000 feet from MSL when we reach Gurdongmurg Lake. In between, only one dhaba is there, or you can say restaurant, where you can have some breakfast. So if somebody wants to go to Gurdongmurg Lake, you will for sure have to leave Lachain max by 6 am as it takes 3 hours to cover approx 40 kilometers due to off-road and high roads and high altitudes. So you can't drive more than 15 km per hour after a few kilometers from Lachain. If you have planned breakfast at dhaba, then please keep in mind you will get only 3 things. That's bread omelette, Maggi and tea. Apart from that, don't expect anything. Meet Tenjing, my friend from Thangu Valley. On this route from Lachain to Gurdongmurg Lake, you will find many military base camps and posts. So recording those areas is strictly prohibited, and on this route after Thangu military post, it's strictly said that to switch off your recording camera due to security reasons. So that at maximum point on this route I followed the instruction and recorded as much as I can. So if you are on this route, make sure that you are not carrying any plastic bottles along with you, even plastic water bottles also. It's strictly prohibited to carry, and if found carrying, you have to pay a heavy penalty for this, and it's quite possible they won't allow you for Gurdongmurg Lake. You will find many slushy patches on this route. So as the height is increasing, you will find more and more slushy roads and off-roading. So this is a full package for off-roaders. So don't miss this route whenever you are in Sikkim, and especially in North Sikkim. As I said earlier, you can't ride more than 15 km per hour after a few kilometers from Lachain. This is the point from where height starts increasing suddenly and increases till Gurdongmurg Lake. In first gear, it was difficult to ride without riding tricks. So I'm happy for Aman, as being first timer he is experiencing all these roads. Till Gurdongmurg, be patient and drive safely, ride safely. As you can clearly see, his bike is facing too much problem while climbing height. So finally the adventure is started, and for him it's a big adventure. Ek number mein. Baba is a few kilometers ahead from us, I guess, because he is an experienced rider, so he is managing this road very easily. And due to Aman being first time on this route, I am just being with him all the time so that he won't face any sort of problem due to height and all. he's getting ill due to less breathing and all. As when you go on high passes on height, your breathing ability becomes less and you breathe less. Look who has been spotted. Baba is there, so he is not too much far from us. Being a biker and traveling with a group, it's everyone's responsibility to check out the troop behind him, that they are coming or not. If not seen more than 15 minutes, then inform group and check out where they got stuck. So always keep these things in mind when you are traveling into Himalayas with your group, so that everyone would be safe. And being together is really a biking spirit. If you're not together, you're not doing biking, you're just racing something. So always keep this in your mind while you biking in Himalayas. Try that you should not keep distance among yourselves more than 1 or 1.5 kilometers, as on these routes anything can happen anytime. So if you are together, you all will be happy. Look at those mountains covered with snow. Doesn't they seem like a bed with a bed sheet made of soft fur all over? Only thing that is missing is me lying on that bed and inhaling, deep fresh air inside. It's my dream to do someday, but all you have to look after your work also. But it's okay. In the interval, you should be back in Himalayas and enjoy these all like you wanted always. From this point on the right hand, you can go for Gurdongmar Lake. This is month of April and the lake is frozen, completely frozen.
जी क्या हाल चाल है। तो मैं पहुंच गया गुरदौनबर और मेरे साथ बाबा है, विमल भट्ट और अपना अमन भाई। आओ यार शक्ल दिखाओ। जय भोलेगी, जय भोलेगी, जय भोलेगी। तो भैया यहाँ पहुंच गए हैं और बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है, जैसा सोचा था अब एक्सपेक्टेशन से बहुत ऊपर है। ठीक है, रास्ते में लास्ट 15-20 किलोमीटर में आपको दिक्कत थोड़ी सी आएगी, पर आप बाइकर्स हो और मतलब करते हो ट्रैवल ना, तो यू कैन मैनेज इट। इंजन धक्का दे रहा था पर इट वाज ऑल मैनेज। ठीक है, मैं व्यू दिखाता हूँ। भाई जी मिले, देख पहचान लो इनको, जब आओगे तो मिलोगे जरूर। बुलाओ नॉर्थ वालों को, बुलाओ।
जय मां काली, आई एम गोरखाली।
हाँ बोलो नॉर्थ वालों, आओ इधर।
हाँ,
सिर्फ नॉर्थ में घूम रहे हो,
सब लोग इधर आओ, इधर बहुत मस्त जगह है,
फुल एंजॉय करो।
राइडर लोग जरूर आना।
बिल्कुल।
तो ड्यू टू सिक्योरिटी गाइडलाइंस हमने बहुत ही छुप छुप के रिकॉर्डिंग की है और बहुत कम रिकॉर्डिंग है पूरे रास्ते के अनुसार। तो जितना भी था, जो भी था, इट वाज ऑसम। यहाँ तक की राइड इट वाज सुपर ऑसम। और आई हैवंट एक्सपीरियंस्ड दीज थिंग्स इवन इन लद्दाख ऑल्सो। सो डू कम टू नॉर्थ सिक्किम, एंड इफ यू आर इन नॉर्थ सिक्किम, डू कम टू Gurdongmar Lake. Don't miss this part. Now Aman looks confident, too much confident. When we were coming here, he was like, मेरे बाइक में ये हो गया, मेरे बाइक में ये हो रहा है, और मेरे अलॉय व्हील्स का ये, भैया ये ठीक है कि नहीं, मुझे तो थोड़ा सा ये लग रहा है, थोड़ा ये ख़राब लग रहा है। अभी जब मैंने इससे बात की, इट वाज ही वाज लाइक, अरे कुछ नहीं, देखा जाएगा, आगे आगे देखते हैं। तो यही होता है जब आप जिन चीज़ों से डरते हैं, अगर वहाँ आप एक बार पहुँच जाओ ना, फिर उसके बाद डर जैसी कोई चीज़ नहीं रह जाती, और कुछ भी नहीं होता यार। हाई पासेस पे कुछ भी नहीं होता। ऑल दैट मैटर्स इज़ योर कॉन्फिडेंस। आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हो यहाँ आने के, आपके अंदर कितनी चाहत है यहाँ तक आने की। मुझे क्या हुआ, मैं इतने दिनों से घूम रहा हूँ, पर मैंने ना सारी गाइडलाइंस फॉलो की, मैंने सारे रूल्स फॉलो किए। मैं कभी डिसओबीडियंट नहीं होता रोड पे। मैं कभी भी रूल्स के अपोजिट नहीं जाता। जो चीज़ें मुझे अपने सीनियर्स ने सिखाई है, कैसे क्या करना है, कैसे ट्रैवल करना है, या फिर मेरे दोस्तों से जो मुझे मिला जानने को, मेरे मैं काफ़ी लोगों से मिला इस बीच इतने साल के ट्रैवलिंग में। तो आपको ना बस कुछ चीज़ें फॉलो करनी होती हैं और अपने साइड पे चलना होता है हाई पासेस पे। बाकी तो कुछ भी नहीं होता यार। अगर डरोगे तो कभी नहीं जा पाओगे, और नहीं डरोगे तो हर जगह घूम लोगे। तो मीट यू गाइस इन युमथांग वैली ब्लॉग, एंड तब तक के लिए कीप वॉचिंग, कीप सपोर्टिंग।